All right, today we need to talk about speed and velocity, which are concepts that I'm sure you know a little bit about. It's not that big a deal, which is why this first question, these first definitions may seem kind of insulting. You should know that speed is how fast something is moving. And this is where your note starts. You can go ahead and fill in your notes there if you haven't already. Speed is how fast something is moving. It's pretty simple. And speed will always be a positive number, and the reason for that is because speed is a scalar quantity. Scalar means that we're only concerned about the number, and it's always going to be a positive number because remember, in this class, we indicate direction as positive and negative. Okay, and since speed is a scalar quantity, we're not concerned about direction with speed. We can talk about two other concepts, average speed and instantaneous speed. These are actually not in your notes, and you can add them in if you'd like. Average speed is simply the ratio of the total distance traveled during a period of time. And this refers to the fact that, for instance, on your trip to school, you don't go 35 miles per hour on the entire trip. At least I hope you don't, because you wouldn't get there alive. You would be going different speeds the entire time. So you could, however, calculate the average speed of your trip simply by getting the total distance in your trip divided by the total time that your trip took. That would give you an average speed that you're moving. But you can also give me an instantaneous speed as well, which means you would say that I was moving at 45 meters per second at this particular time, and that would be true. So average speed and instantaneous speed are two things that you need to know how to do, but they're pretty simple concepts to figure out. This equation right here is one thing that you need to know, and I want you at this time, if you have it with you, to go ahead and grab that equation chart right now. Alright, so here's your equation chart that you see here. I just wanted you to get used to it. These are the formulas that we're going to be dealing with for the next 2 weeks. This one, V equals d over t, or delta d over delta t. That's displacement divided by the change in time. That's the one we just saw. Really, if you just remember V equals d over t, that'll be kind of our most common way to refer to it.